Hello, welcome to the channel Math Video. Today I will discuss few questions on case study based question which is very important. I think so all of you know and you have seen that previous video. There is 4 case study based question, that is 16 marks case study based question. That is all are MCQ and very easy case study based question, and 4 case study based question each contain 4 MCQ, that is 5 MCQ question. You have to answer 4 MCQ question answer in each section, that is 16 question you have to answer out of 20 MCQ question. Clear, I think so. So first question I am discussing here, you see, and easily will understand, you can get an idea from here what types of case study based question you can get in your exam. So first one here, small terrace at a football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50-meter long and built of solid concrete. So this one is built by solid concrete. Each step rise 1 by 4 meter, that is 1 by 4 meter height, and trade 1 by 2 meter. That is trade means this breadth. This one is the trade. This one is the, so 1 by 2 meter. Okay. So first question, what is the volume of required concrete for step 1? So this is the step 1, this is the step 1. So how you find out its volume? This one you consider as a rectangle. So volume, length into breadth into height. So here length, this one is with the length. So length here 50, 50 into breadth. Breadth is here, this one is the breadth 1 by 2 and height 1 by 4 meter. This one meter cube. So that is 25 by 4 meter cube is the answer. So this one is the correct answer. Second one, what is the volume of required concrete for step 2? Step 2. That is for step 2. For step 2, for each step you see 24, 25 by 4 meter. Again also same thing, same step na. So you need again more 24 by 25 by 4 meter cube volume you need. So 25 by 4 plus 25 by 4 meter cube, that is equals to 50 by 4 meter cube is the answer here. 50 by 4 meter cube is the answer here. Okay, and also you can use that formula, length into breadth into height, also same thing you will get here, because length here is 50 and breadth, what is the breadth? Breadth here 1 by 2, that is width here na. This one is the second step, this one is the second step, width here 1 by 2, but height will be changed, height will be in the place of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Same thing 50 by 4 you will get. Again, what is the volume of required concrete for step 3? So this one I am showing using that formula. Or you can add again 25 by 4 for each step. Here first step means 25 by 4 meter cube volume. So each step volume will be 25 by 4 meter cube, and below there another step is there. So that means length, breadth into height. So length here, what is the length? 50. Breadth here, this one is the breadth, that is always constant 1 by 2. This one is 50. And height for the start. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So that means 25 into 5, 75 by 4. So this is the answer. 75 by 4 meter cube is the answer for the volume. So the given problem is based on which mathematical concept? Which mathematical concept? Here you are adding na each step 25 by 4 plus 25 by 4. So volume you are getting adding 25 by 4. So that means this is a arithmetic progression. So not surface areas and volume. There no need to calculate surface areas or volume. Volume you are calculating, but volume you are getting using the concept of arithmetic progression. So that's why this sum is based on arithmetic progression. Next, what is the total volume of the concrete to build? So using arithmetic progression, we will find out the volume. So first step volume is, so what is the formula? Sn equals to n by 2, sum is 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the common difference. So here n by 2, how many steps are there? How many steps? 15. So 15 by 2, 2a. First step volume, 2 into a, that is 25 by 4 into 2, that is 2 into 25 by 4 plus n minus 1, that is 14. 15 minus 1 is 14, and d, common difference adding 25 by 4, 25 by 4 like this. So 25 by 4. Okay. So here we are getting 15 by 2, then cancel it, 25 by 2 plus then 7 into, so 725 are 175 by 2. Okay, uh, 175, that means 15 by 2 into, here you will get 200 by 2, same, 2 to 4, so 750 meter cube is the volume. So here what is the volume? 750 meter cube is the volume of the whole concrete terrace. I think clear all of you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box so that I will clear in the next video. Or next case study based question, next one is to conduct the sports activities in your rectangular shaped school ground. ABCD. This is a rectangular shaped school ground. Lines have been shown drawn in the chalk. This line drawn by chalk powder, and distance between these two lines is 1 meter. 100 flower pots have been placed at the distance AD along, and each distance is 1 meter. Each distance between two flower pot is 1 meter also. Shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1 by 4 meter. This is Niharika. She ran 1 by 4 meter of AD along AD on the second line. So second line she ran 1 by 4 and post a green flag. Preet runs 1 by 5 distance along AD and 8 line along 8 line AD. So and post a red flag. So here question is that at what distance Niharika posted the green flag from the starting point. So total distance is here 100 meter, because 100 pots are placed and in between two pots 1 meter distance. So 100 meter is the distance. So 1 by 4 meter ran Niharika. So 100 into 1 by 4, that is 25 meter. So she runs 25 meter. Next, at what distance Preet posted the green flag from the starting point? Here given wrong, Preet posted the red flag. Okay, here will be, this one will be red flag. Okay, so 100 into 1 by 5, so 20. So 20 meter. This is the answer, correct answer. Then distance between both the flags. So distance between both the flags. So you will get here na rectangle. Suppose here posted. So this one to this one. This track is a right angle triangle you will get. So distance between two here, this one. Okay, like this. This will be the distance. So right angle triangle you will get. So this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the distance. So distance between these two, distance between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. So this one is 6 meter is the distance between two players. Okay. And what is the distance of height? That is the distance, this distance. Total distance, this one up to this is 25 and up to this is 20. So what is the distance this one? 5 meter. So this one forms a right angle triangle. So length is 5 meter, breadth is 6 meter. So hypotenuse equals to root over of length square plus breadth square. That is root over of 5 square plus 6 square. That is 25 plus 36. That is 61. So root 61 meter is the distance. The correct answer. Next, Reshmi has to post the blue flag exactly halfway between the two line segments joining the two flags. Where should she post? So, in between 5 along 5th line. She wants to post between them. So, this distance is 20 and here is 25. So, in between means 22.5. So now we have to write it in the form of x comma y. So x distance is 5 along this 5, then you will get this distance is 22.5. So first answer is correct, 5 comma 22.5. The given problem is based on which mathematical concept? Mathematical concept here, which concept? Mathematical concept? Lines, because all are along lines. This one don't consider it as a rectangle, because once we followed as a rectangle, we consider this one as a rectangle. Don't This answer is the given problem is based on which mathematical concept? Lines. Okay. Today's video up to this. All of you, thank you. I will discuss in the next video. Next another types of case study problem.